Hey guys, Black Phantom RT back with another video. As you can see, the bumper is already off. There it is. So the parts that I ordered finally came in, and there's some lumen LED lights with RGB. My friend's gonna be helping me install them because I really don't know nothing about the electrical shit, and I really don't want to fuck up my car. So yeah guys, we took the bumper off, that way I can take the headlights off, make it easier. So once we get started, I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, so this is the actual bulb. These are the high beams, daytime running lights. As you can see, it's got a lot of shit to it. And this is the Bluetooth module to connect the lights once they're all connected, the RGB. And you can just control it through the phone. You get a little app. You can like change the settings and all that. It even goes with music, all this other shit. But yeah guys, I'm gonna start taking off the lights and all that. I've shown how to do that on my last video, so I'm not gonna be showing that this video. So I'm gonna get started, then we'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, he wired them up. We got all this shit and we're just testing them right now. We do have them on fuses, that way we don't blow the fucking bulb and shit. But he's got it connected to his forklift battery. And here's the app itself. As you can see, green, red, blue, yellow, or is that what? Green. You can change it all right here. They're pretty badass. We're just testing them right now. Still gotta get them in the headlights, so hopefully they fit, because I'm not even sure if they fit. But we'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, so we've been here probably for like a good 30 minutes or an hour trying to fuck with these lights. I'm not sure if, you know, they're not meant to be in here or what. But yeah guys, because it has a little clip, you know, something like that. Let's see, like this thing. But the thing is that it's way too small for it. So we had to make it work. And somehow we finally made it work. We got this one in right there. It's not going anywhere, it's tight. As you can see, there's a shitload of wiring. That's pretty much all original, but we did take out some of the original wires, cut them, and we're gonna hook those up to the actual lights right here. But yeah guys, we finally got one. We still need to fuck with this one over here. But once we're done with the wiring in that one, we're gonna hook it up and everything, and I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, so we finally got both of them in. Both bulbs are in. This one's actually all wired up and everything. That's what he's doing to the other one, wiring it up. And pretty much after that, just put the lights in, just like that one. Run the Bluetooth module cable all the way over here. That way we have it nearby to the other headlight. Connect that. I think we're gonna run it to a fuse, and it should be done. I'm gonna leave the camera right here so I can show ya the LEDs. Let me try to find a spot. Okay. Alright guys, so they are pretty bright. They're fucking bright as fuck. Way brighter than the other ones. But yeah guys, we're gonna finish wiring it up and everything, put it back together, and I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, so we finally finished all the wiring up and all that. As you can see, there's the little Bluetooth module, all that stuff. The one to this headlight is just in there, so you can't really see that. And then the one to the other headlight, I run the wire through here. That way once I put the bumper on, I can just cover it with the little plastic covers. But as y'all can see, they're pretty badass. It took us a while to actually figure it out. but the outcome is amazing. All we need to do now is actually align my bulbs, make sure my lighting comes out good, because we kept fucking with my bulbs. So yeah guys, we'll fix that real quick and I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, so we just finished adjusting my lights and all that the best that we could. We're trying to get home, it's getting already pretty late, but I hate that you can't really see it in camera, but in person the green looks nice. It's like a bright green, kind of like a hope green, something like that. And then we can change it from the phone. My phone's still charging, but I really like the way they came out, guys. All I would recommend is make sure you get the right ones, because that's the only reason we had trouble with it. It was a pain in the ass because we were just trying to make them fit. Luckily we were able to, because I really didn't want to send them back and all that. But I'm happy with the way they came out. Now we're just gonna finish putting the bumper on, and I'll probably show y'all some outside clips and shit. So I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, so we finally put the bumper on and everything. It's all done, looking good. Got the red on right now. Let me take the phone out real quick. As you can see, it changes with the phone. There's a little color panel. I really like the way it came out. It probably wasn't for it, but we made it work, and I'm just happy that everything came out good. No problems at all. I really love the way the lights look, but like I said, if y'all want to get these lights, just make sure to get the right ones. I'm not sure what these work with or don't. We made it work, so that's a good thing. But that's pretty much it for this week's video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll keep y'all posted in more videos. Thanks.